What's up, Elon holders? Welcome back. Welcome back. I'm doing another update on the Dogelon Mars token. We know that as none other than ticker symbol Elon. I gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Never WhatsApp anybody in my comments and never give anybody your seed phrase. Also, drop a like on this video. It's gonna help get exposure on the Dogelon Mars project, the Dogelon Mars mission, but most importantly, the Dogelon Mars community. Also, do consider subscribing, as it is going to keep you up to date on cryptocurrency news, all things Dogelon Mars, and you can even win yourself some NFTs in the process. In fact, I'm going to be doing an announcement from a couple of giveaways that I've had in the last week. We're going to clear up some giveaways so we can start some new ones, and let's get into the day. It does look like we are currently ranked 155, 602, 629 is our current price tag. Volume looking at about 2.5 million trade over the last 24 hours. Market cap sitting at about 143 million, almost to the $144 million mark. And looking at the market, we have obviously experienced quite a bit of increased volatility, and we did have a considerable drop, but it has tried to rebound and has came back down at the moment. But that is just the macro environment that we are dealing with. It actually has nothing to do with the project itself. It's kind of one of those unfortunate things we've been dealing with. But looking at consumer confidence across major markets, does appear that the consumers do appear to be very confident, and very great to see. I'm definitely part of the group. Definitely amazing to see our holder count regain its strength again. This is amazing. 140,272 holders. Are we going to break that into that 141k soon? I hope so. Let's take a look at our analysis. We do have 18% of people in the money, 83% of concentration. That's great to see. We do have some big holders that do hold. They hold the line. So we definitely appreciate if you guys are watching. We appreciate you guys for what you do. But looking at this is great. 602, 628. Hopefully we can continue to see some higher numbers. It does look like we do have a 47 on the short term, but let's see if it has changed since then. It does appear we have a 46 on the short term right now. It does just mean that low RSI is pumping through the project at the moment. But yeah, so we do sit above 46% of cryptos on the market today, and in the top half sitting above 65% of cryptocurrencies in the long term. Risk gauge sitting about in the middle, sentiment leaning more towards green, so that would be nice. Overall crypto market is down 1.03%, and sentiment does remain neutral. A lot of people in my comments do bring it to my attention that this project does hold really well, though, considering everything that has been thrown at it. So I definitely have to agree with them. I'm going to have to agree that this project has been holding very strong. Looking at our price predictions, boy, I mean, this is beautiful. 602496 in the next 5 days, 602713 in the next month. And then they get crazy bullish. It does look like 608612, which I would be completely happy with at the moment, and a 502058 in the 6 month. Wow, quite impressive. That is what that would look like there. 1 year prediction, they do expect that to cool off back to the 501674. Now that would be quite amazing for this to be true. I mean, quite amazing for this to be true. We do have Dogelon Mars coming up in articles again, which is great to see. Dogelon Mars, promoters of Elon Musk's dreams. Perfect. Does it look like created to reference Doge and Elon Musk's ambitions to colonize Mars? Dogelon Mars Elon features canine imagery like other meme coins on the cryptocurrency market that identifies the coin developers remain hidden. The Dogelon Mars rocket took off on April 23rd of 2021. Tokens based on the comic book character Dogelon Mars can be purchased as NFTs on Opensea. They sure can. Dogelon Mars Elon is a blockchain-based meme coin that operates similarly to other ERC20 tokens. Any Ethereum block explorer will be able to keep tabs on it. Dogelon Mars Elon can be purchased on Uniswap and also can be sold to acquire other cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars Elon holders likely acquired their coins through the decentralized exchange, a gift from Elon creator Vitalik Buterin, or a combination of the two. So very great to see. It does look like they are trying to plug something else there, but yeah, pretty awesome stuff. Does look like very good stuff. We do have some great news. Great news that I don't think anybody should miss. NASDAQ joins BlackRock as TradFi defies the bear market and embraces crypto. This is the news that we need attention on. I mean, because yes, the world is on fire outside, but despite all that, we do still have institutional growth, institutions jumping in the crypto industry. And what better time than in a bear market? They realize this. They're not dumb. They call us the dumb money, honestly. Then they are the smart money. So definitely pay attention to what these guys are doing in the bear market. That's just something I really want you guys to understand and maybe pay attention to. The down market hasn't stopped traditional finance push into crypto as large players continue to pile into the industry, following Warren Buffett's famous rule, be greedy only when others are fearful. And it does appear others are fearful at this time. So, I mean, we have a lot of major stuff, major momentum right now. A lot of it is going in the opposite direction we want it to, but when it comes to accumulation, sometimes that is the biggest blessing in disguise. So let's take a look at legendary investor Warren Buffett may still hate cryptos, but other stalwarts of traditional finance are following his maxim to be fearful when others are greedy and to be greedy when others are fearful, piling into digital assets following the year's rout. The crypto winter, which has driven Bitcoin down more than 70% since its November peak, has been a painful reminder of how volatile the industry can be. TradFi's commitments to crypto amid the decline, however, makes the winner stand out from prior ones. Most recently, NASDAQ, the second biggest U.S. stock market operator, announced this week that it will start a crypto custody service, finance jargon for holding onto investors' assets, keeping them safe as it aims to cash in on burgeoning demands for crypto among institutional investors. The move came after BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, said last month that it will offer cryptocurrencies to its institutional clients and Depository Trust and Clearing Corp, which processes essentially all U.S. stock trades released on its own blockchain as it looks to speed up the settlements of trades. Those are just some of the big TradFi players entering the sector this year, but what they will have in common is that they are citing strong demands for institutions, with small investors still licking their wounds from this year's price plunge. The narrative has shifted largely to how TradFi can profit from this new industry, embracing a field that many say is the future of finance. Drop it in the comments below if you agree that cryptocurrency will be the future of finance. Cash on the sidelines. So it looks like TradFi is probably far from done getting into crypto, and with NASDAQ and other TradFi players entering the crypto industry during a bear market, it seems obvious the sector is anything but dead. We think that there's a lot of investors on the sidelines. CEO of the new crypto exchange EDX Market said to CoinDesk TV this week. Nazarali himself just made the leap from TradFi. He previously held a senior role at Citadel Securities, one of the biggest U.S. stock traders, and EDX is part of the TradFi come to crypto trend, given that its backers include Citadel and other big firms like Charles Schwab and Fidelity Investment. Large investors seeking to get into crypto are likely to want to do through existing partners instead of through a broker or trading service providers, Nazarali said. Many TradFi banks are extending their reach into crypto-linked products to offer their institutional clients options to diversify into the industry. On Wednesday, French lender Societe Generale, which has been actively expanding its digital assets offering, said it's offering new services for asset management companies looking to invest in the industry. NASDAQ move this week is going to bring more institutional players and welcome in, Nasralli said. Overall, he believes that having TradFi slowly dipping its toes into crypto is a good start and eventually lead to more widespread crypto adoption. Major news. Institutions getting in will definitely lead to widespread adoption. And this is what they're waiting for. They're waiting for a little more regulatory clarity. One of the main hurdles preventing mass adoption among the TradFi crowd is uncertainty around regulations. Many crypto services are already waiting on regulators for indications of what legislation to adhere to, but the process is moving slowly. In the US, there are questions about which regulator will oversee which crypto assets and how stringently. You see entrepreneurs in the space that have been here for several years waiting for regulatory clarity. They're struggling, said Bruno Ramos de Sousa, head of global expansion at Hashdex, a crypto asset management platform. Gary Gensler, chairman of the SEC, which shares responsibility for crypto oversight in the US, has argued that the crypto industry doesn't need more specific guidance. This leaves traditional investors confused as regulators try to catch up with how to properly govern the industry. A situation that could undermine the US role as a global financial powerhouse if it doesn't provide more clarity and crypto becomes an even more important market. The Apple example. Another question, will TradFi take over crypto, making it look more like an old school finance, or will it go the other direction? The crypto fundamentally reshaping how finance works, with conventional finance players coming into digital assets and regulators bringing a more conservative way of governing markets. There is a chance crypto will be absorbed by Wall Street types and resemble the finance status quo. And this is the beautiful part about this, is that it hasn't been absorbed by institutional finance Wall Street types. So this is the beautiful time to jump in. At least in my opinion, that's coming from my perspective, my crypto journey. That is where I'm getting in. And I feel confident. I'm very confident in my decisions I've made. Crypto firms are moving into TradFi's turf too. The U.S. division of exchange giant FTX, for instance, has introduced stock trading this year. Big crypto exchanges have enough money to buy stock exchanges, Ramos de Sosa argued, and there's talk of tokenizing all manners of traditional assets, essentially bringing a crypto ethos to the broader financial market. Wow. Very beautiful. Buffett provides a lesson here too. For years, he famously avoided tech stocks, arguing understanding them was outside of his grasp. And then several years ago, he dove into Apple, one of the techiest of stocks, recognizing that the strength of its brand among consumer was similar to the dominant position of other companies he liked and had. His switch was gigantic. Apple is now one of the largest investments of Berkshire Hathaway, the conglomerate Buffett founded. Buffett's move into an industry he was once hesitant about could point the way for TradFi into crypto. It's probably the best business in the world, Buffett once said on CNBC about Apple. I should have appreciated it earlier. And that's where I'm going to close that one out, because that is pretty much all I have to say today about what is going on with the Dogelon Mines project, what is going on with the crypto project. Now let's get into some giveaways, because I have done a massive giveaway. You can check the URL there. You probably want to check this one. Check the URL there. I did not filter anybody's comments, but there was 84 comments, so I want to thank each and every one of you guys for participating. And we're going to do 5 giveaways on this one video, so it is going to be off of this video here, and let's get into it. Okay, we do have one winner. Okay, Dunking Pro, you are the second winner. Okay, you have 1, 2. Okay, the fourth winner. And last but not least, We have Randy Patrick. Congratulations, you have won the 5th and final NFT from that video. Now we're going to do another giveaway off of another video because I have done quite a bit, as you guys may know. So that is going to be off of this URL here. We did have 38 comments, and this will be a single giveaway, and it's going to be off of this video here. Okay, Dr. Crypto 28, you are also a winner. So Dunking Pro Stoner and the last one, Mr. Patrick, please do reach out. You can reach out on my Twitter, my Discord. Use only official links in the description or on the top of my page. All right, I thank each and every one of you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I will catch you in the next one.